Welcome. Here we are in Bethesda in a new project. We are building a two-car garage in the back of the property, and everything's going as planned. We're ahead of schedule. We've begun pouring concrete today. Follow me and I'll show you what's been done thus far, right this way. We initially started by enclosing the rear fence, replacing what we had, a new fence. This is gonna be 3 phases. Right now we've started with the garage, enclosing area of the fence, and moving of the HVAC heat and cooling units to this side, and you'll see why in a second. So these were moved yesterday from the other side. This is the brand new fence that we put up, so enclosing the whole area. And here's the newly built garage. We've got it framed out. We've got the electrical panel in. We have the roofing in. This is a irrigation system. The runoff from the way the land lays, we needed to have that in order to have the runoff from the water coming right directly to here as to not flood the area. You can take a look inside. And obviously connected to the garage. We've got all new concrete. None of this was here. It's about 20 by 20. We've got one part of the concrete already poured, and this is the first phase of 3 phases. After this is done, this older addition on the property is gonna be demoed, and we're gonna have a 2-level new addition built back here. That's phase 2, and then the 3rd phase will be the front. Take a look. So this section of the concrete has already been poured. Waiting on the next truck now for the driveway, and we'll show you that on the way around. Framed out, electrical panel in. The existing house, we've done a heavy up in anticipation of the new addition that will be built. Everything else is ordered. Insulation, the door access to the upper level. It's gonna have hardy siding all the way around. Hardy plank siding, cement board siding all the way around. Hardy cedar on the front, a basketball hoop for the kids. And you can follow me in here and you can take a look and get an idea of the space inside. We've got a heavy up here, EV charger for 2 cars, obviously electric. There'll be recessed lighting, automatic garage door. You can see the driveway that we're pouring now. You look in that direction. The inside will be completely drywalled, finished, insulated, access to the top part of the garage. Bottom area on the center, on the CMU center block, will be parged all the way around, end up probably having nice epoxy with flake on the slab, which will look really nice. So initially, these 2 units were on the other side of the property, and because the new driveway is being built, including the curb cut to the street, they had to be moved. So in anticipation of that, we have them moved yesterday. Homeowners were not inconvenienced without having heat. We made sure that transition happened flawlessly. When we initially started the project, there was a tree right in the middle of the front yard that was basically obstructing the curb appeal, etc. So we removed that tree. This is the new driveway that we're putting in place. There's no curb cut here, meaning there's no direct access to the driveway. So part of what we're doing is we'll have a curb cut here to allow a smooth way in and smooth way out for the cars. There was also, when we were digging in the back for the foundation of the garage, we were surprised with a humongous 8-foot circumference tree trunk that was buried. Part of the surprises that can happen in construction. We'll see you again for the final phase, and you can see what everything looks like.